Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will describe to you one of the traditional food from Indonesia. How to make kolak. Kolak is popular during holy month of Ramadan, as it is often served for stop the fasting. So, this is ingredient to make kolak. First, I have the banana, the cassava, the coconut milk, two pandan leaf, palm sugar, and the last I have the salt. Okay, let's go to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. First step, boil the water until red. Second step, put the cassava to the water. If the cassava done, put the banana. Okay. Pour the coconut milk. Then keep stirring so the coconut milk doesn't break. The last step, put the palm sugar and pandan leaf, and then put the salt and sugar. Stir until well done. When everything's ready, turn off the stove. Wrap. Okay, I will try it with my mother and my brother. Come on, stand this part. Nice.
This is cassava.
Nice. Thank you. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. From me, Duta Eurico. Thank you very much. Good try.